वर्सेटाइल फैमिली। आप में से बहुत से लोगों ने मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ये रिक्वेस्ट की है कि मैं पेंसिल शेडिंग की और वीडियोस अपलोड करूं अपने चैनल पे। तो ये वीडियो है डेडिकेटेड पेंसिल स्केचिंग के उन लवर्स के लिए। इसमें मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी कुछ टिप्स ट्रिक्स रिलेटेड टू पेंसिल स्केचिंग जो इसको दे देंगे एक नया आयाम, एक नया लुक। तो मेरे साथ बने रहिए और चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब ताकि कुछ भी नया पोस्ट हो तो नोटिफिकेशन मिले सबसे पहले आपको। तो वीडियो की करते हैं शुरुआत।
If you want to learn this beautiful pencil sketch with deep knowledge of shading types, shading strokes and the master stroke, then please subscribe to Versatile 4. Let's learn and understand the shading types and shading tricks. There are 3 types of shading, one inner to outer side, second outer to inner side and then both side. Let's learn what is shading stroke. Keep your pencil on one point and release it. These are known as shading strokes. Let's learn about the master stroke which is known as direction strokes also. So these are the 3 master strokes which will help us to guide about the shading side. Now I'm taking 2B pencil and drawing the main pattern. It will be a floral pattern where we will be using the second type of shade which is outer to inner side. So I'm just giving it a hint circle with a rough hand and I'm drawing the petals. So 3 set of flowers with different size of leaves, few big and few small is fair enough for this pattern. I'm using 6B now for shading purpose. As I told you, that will be doing the outer to inner side. We are creating the 3 master strokes which will guide us for the direction of all the shading strokes. Now same way we are going to repeat the process in all the petals. So whenever you are going ahead with the shading technique, don't forget master strokes will guide you and your shading will be perfect. Now one flower done, we are repeating the same process in another 2 flowers. Now for leaves, I'm just creating one side inner to outer side and one outer to inner side, because we are going to focus more on flowers and will be taking the light shade in the leaves. And yes, don't keep your hand on the shading area. I'll suggest you to use a waste card sheet just to keep it on the top of your work so that your work will not smudge with your hands. Now shading is done. It's time to do the finishing touch. So we are creating a beautiful outline with the thicker on the top area of the petals. Repeat the same process and complete the outline of all the petals of your flower. Now it's time to create the center part, which will enhance the beauty of the flower. Now it's time to do the finishing touch of leaves. Outlines and creating small veins in the center of leaf is fair enough. Now, finishing touch of the proper pattern is properly done.